Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, front wheel drive, power door locks, MP3 player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.